Morning students, in the previous lecture we have studied molecules of elements, molecules of compounds and deduction of molecular masses of compound. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about mole, Avogadro's number, valency and variable valency. So first, mole. We know that when elements and compound take part in chemical reaction, it is their atoms and molecule react with each other. Therefore, it is necessary to know the number of atoms and molecules. While carrying out in chemical reaction, it is convenient to measure quantities that can be handled instead of counting the number of atoms of molecule. So, mole is useful for this purpose. Mole is that quantity of substance whose mass in gram is equal in magnitude to the molecular mass of that substance in delta. Let us take an example of reaction of hydrogen with oxygen. Product form is water. In the above reaction, two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule of oxygen to form two molecules of water. So the 4 Dalton of hydrogen molecule combine with 32 Dalton of oxygen molecule to form 36 Dalton of water molecule. Next is Avogadro's number. Avogadro was an Italian scientist. Avogadro's number is denoted by symbol Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 and number of moles is equal to mass of substance in gram divided by molar mass of substance. Then Avogadro number. The number of molecules in 1 mole of any substance is constant. So the number of atoms or molecule in 1 mole of substance is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. जिसे अपन बोलते हैं कि 1 डजन बनाना is equal to 12 banana. Similarly, 1 mole of substance is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Then relationship between mole, Avogadro's number and mass. 1 mole of carbon is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms, 12 gram of carbon atom. 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon, 1 gram of hydrogen atom. So 1 mole of any particle is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of that particle, known as relative mass of those particles in gram. So 1 mole of molecule is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of molecules, known as molecular mass in gram. Now next is valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an atom is known as its valency. The number of bonds that an atom can form as a part of compound is expressed by valency of the element. Cation, positively charged ions, anion, negatively charged anions. For example, NaCl, Na plus cation, Cl negative anion. अब वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या होते हैं कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं उसको बोलेंगे अपन वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अब एलिमेंट्स एंड देयर वैलेंसी. ये जो टेबल दिख रहा है उसमें दिया है नेम ऑफ एलिमेंट, सिंबल एंड वैलेंसी. हाइड्रोजन एटॉमिक नंबर 1 symbol H+, symbol H, valency 1. Helium, atomic number 2, symbol He, valency 0. Lithium, atomic number 3, symbol Li, valency 1. Beryllium 4, Be2, boron 5, B3. Carbon 6, symbol C, valency 4. Similarly, nitrogen 3, oxygen 2, fluorine 1 and neon 0. Then formation of sodium chloride. Sodium atom Na with electronic configuration 281, its atomic number is 11. Chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic arrangement 287. अब ये जो सोडियम है उसके आउटरमोस्ट शेल में है 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. उसको स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लेने के लिए जो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसको वो देना पड़ेगा. और ये जो क्लोरीन है उसमें आउटरमोस्ट शेल में 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन. स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बनने के लिए उसको 1 एटम गेन करना पड़ेगा. So sodium atom donate 1 electron to achieve the stable electronic configuration to form sodium ion, and chlorine will receive 1 electron to achieve the stable electronic arrangement to form chloride ion. So 1 sodium ion Na plus and 1 chloride ion Cl negative attracted by strong electrostatic force to form sodium chloride. Variable valency. Under different conditions, the atom of some element give away or take up different number of electron. In such cases, those elements exhibit more than one valency. This property of element is called as variable valency. This table shows variable valencies of some elements. For example, iron Fe2 plus, ferrous Fe3 plus ferric, copper cuprous cupric, mercury mercurous mercuric, gold aurous auric, tin stannous stannic and lead plumbous plumbic. तो आज अपन ने क्या दिखा है? वैलेंसी, एवोगैड्रोस नंबर, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, cation, anion and variable valency of some element.